B. Jade Tracer, C. Beating, or D. Sigrid? Someone raise his hand immediately. I think yes, the gentleman over there in the back of the glasses. Yes. Again, what is the name of the artisanship condition developing venue capable of tracking the odors and traces left by targets? Beating! It's correct! Congratulations, you are ultimately winning a prize. The keyword there was tracing the odors and traces left by target. Now, question number 5 for the Honkai Star Game Show. Which foot of the stone line
Yung mga damit talaga sila niya.
the Palace of Austria steps on the ball? A, the left foot, B, the right foot,